What's going on, guys? So we're here at factory number 10 of our visit to China. Today we're going to be seeing all of the urethane free weight products that we have, our urethane plates, our urethane dumbbells, easy curl bars, straight curl bars, all of the best stuff, best quality here at this factory. And I'm so excited to show you guys exactly what goes into the process of making all of this equipment. Here's the bandsaw machine that's going to cut all the steel. Literally just a rapid moving belt saw as it comes down, slowly applying pressure until eventually it comes out into a finished product like this. This is the belt that's continuously spinning in these machines. Sometimes after continuous use, it needs to be replaced. So the machine can continue to cut nice and fast. So what this gentleman's doing right here is he's cleaning out all of the debris, and then he's swapping out that belt, get a fresh new one on there to start cutting right away. How much pressure does that?
这个是多大压力的？60 tons.
60 tons? Holy So the rubber, you guys actually like put it into the mold with the press.
I will press.
But the TPU, it seemed like it came in from the top already.
Yeah,
You didn't actually put anything into the mold.
Yes.
So what I have right here in my hand is what you'll see inside of a urethane competition bumper plate. So these are CNC finished on the sides. Here you'll see a nice large outer lip. This is what's gonna embed this disc inside of your bumper plate and prevent it from shifting side to side. It's pretty cool to look at. These are done on a CNC machine, and you can see that they're made in mass quantities here. We store them with these nice little caps so that they're protected from each other, not gonna show up with a ton of scratches. Tons and tons of pallets of them. Let us know what you guys think, and let us know what questions you have.